Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 4 linear equations in two variable of class 9th. In this video we will see what is linear equation in one variable, what is linear equation in two variables, how we can find solution of a linear equation in two variables, and how we can show a linear equation in two variables in graph. Student, as we know, the standard form of a linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are real numbers. For example, 2x plus 3 equal to root 3x plus minus 2 equal 5, etc. Such equations have a unique, it means one and only one solution. Why? Because in this particular equation there is only one variable, so we will get a unique solution. How we can represent linear equation in one variable on the number line? Let's see. Let's take one example, 2x plus 5 equals 0. If we simplify this, we will get 2x equal minus 5, x equal minus 5 by 2. And this is the number line. As you can see here student, the value of x is minus 5 by 2, which is equal to minus 2.5. So this number will lies between minus 2 and minus 3. This is the number minus 5 by 2. So we can easily represent linear equation in one variable on the number line. While solving an equation, you must always keep the following points in mind. The solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added to or subtracted from both the sides of the equation. Let's see one example. 2x plus 3 equals 0. If we add 2 on the both sides, we will get 2x plus 5 equal 2. And if we subtract 2 from both sides, we will get 2x plus 1 equal minus 2. And if we multiply or divide both the side of the equation by the same non-zero number, in that case only equation is not affected. Example, 2x equal 4. When we multiply 3 on both sides, we will get 6x equal 12. And when we divide both the equation, both the side by 2, we will get x equal 2. Let's see the following situation. In a one-day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. How we can express this information in the form of equation? Hence, you can see that the score of neither of them is known. That is, there are two unknown quantities. Let us use x and y to denote them. So the number of runs scored by one of the batsmen is x and number of runs scored by the other is y. So we will get x plus y equal 176. This type of equations are called linear equations in two variables. Let's see some examples of linear equations in two variables. 2s plus 3t equal 5, p plus 4q equal 7, pi u plus 5v equal 9 and 3 equal 2x minus 7y. If we arrange the terms in a unique manner, then we will get 2s plus 3t minus 5 equals 0, p plus 4q minus 7 equals 0, 5 pi u plus 5v minus 9 equals 0 and 2x minus 7y minus 3 equals 0 respectively. So, any equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0, is called a linear equation in two variables. This means that you can think of many such equations. Let's solve one question. Write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. There are four parts of this question. First part is 2x plus 3y equal 4.37. We have to convert these equations into standard form and we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So let's solve this. As you can see in the first part, constant term is in the right hand side. If we shift constant term into left hand side, we will get 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equals 0. And now we will compare this equation with the standard form. Then we will get a equal to, b equal 3 and c equal minus 4.37. Similarly, in second question also, we will shift 3y into left hand side and then we will get x minus 3y minus 4 equals 0. And when we compare this with the standard form, we will get a equal 1, b equal minus 3 and c equal minus 4. Similarly, we will solve third and fourth part also. Another question. Write each of the following as an equation in two variables. As you can see here, student, all the parts of this question is having only one variable. Now we have to convert it into an equation in two variables. So let's solve this. As you can see here, in first part, x equals to minus 5. There is only one variable. Y is missing here. So we can write this equation in the form 1 into x plus 0 into y equals to minus 5. And when we shift this minus 5 into left hand side, we will get 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 5 equal 0. In second part, y equals to 2, x is missing here, so we can write as 0 into x plus 1 into y equals to 2. And when we shift 2 into left hand side, we will get 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 equal 0. Similarly, we will solve third and fourth part also. Let's see how we can find a solution of a linear equation. What can you say about the solution of a linear equation involving two variables? As there are two variables in the equation, a solution means a pair of values, one for x and one for y, which satisfy the given equation. Let us consider the equation 2x plus 3y equal 12. Here x equal 3 and y equal 2 is a solution. Why? Because when we substitute in the left hand side the values of x and y, we will get 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2, which is equal to 12. So for these values, we are getting here left hand side equals to right hand side. So x equal 3 and y equal 2 is a solution of given equation. This solution is written as an ordered pair within bracket 3, 2. First we will write x and then we will write the value of y. But if we substitute x equals 0 and y equal 4, what we will get? For these values also, again we will get 12. It means left hand side equals to right hand side. So we can say that x equals 0 and y equal 4 is also a solution of given equation. Can you find any other solutions also? Do you agree 6, 0 is another solution? Yes, when we substitute in place of x 6 and in place of y 0, we will again get 12. It means 6, 0 is also a solution of given equation. In fact, we can get many solutions in the following way. Pick a value of your choice for x or y, then equation will reduce into linear equation in one variable. On solving, we can get corresponding value of y or x. So student, there is no end to different solutions of a linear equation in two variables. That is, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. This is very important statement. Find two different solutions of the equation 2x plus y equals 7. Let's find two solutions. First solution, if we substitute x equal 1, then we will get 2 into 1 plus y equals 7. 2 plus y equals 7, y equals 7 minus 2, y equal 5. So the first solution will be 1 comma 5. Second solution, if we substitute y equal 1, then we will get 2x plus 1 equals 7, 2x equals 7 minus 1, 2x equals 6, x equals 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3. So the second solution will be 3 comma minus 1. Similarly, we can find many solutions of any linear equation in two variables. How to represent linear equation in graph? Let's see. Let's take one example, x plus 2y equals 6. If we substitute in place of 0, we will get y equal 3. If we substitute x equal 2, we will get y equal 2. If we substitute y equal 1, then we will get x equal 4. And when we substitute y equal 0, then we will get x equal 6. Now we will represent all these points on graph as we learnt in chapter 3. This is the graph, and when we plot the points on this graph, after that we will get a straight line. As you can see here, student, this straight line cutting the x-axis at point 6, 0, and this straight line cuts the y-axis at point 3, 0, and rest of the 2 points are 2, 2 and 4, 1. So you can see that when you draw a linear equation in two variables, you get a straight line. Let us list our observation. First, every point whose coordinates satisfy equation lies on the line. Second, every point a comma b on the line gives a solution x equal a and y equal b of the equation. Any point which does not lie on the line is not a solution of equation. So you can conclude that every point on the line satisfies the equation of the line, and every solution of the equation is a point on the line. Remember, student, polynomial equation ax plus by plus c equals 0 is called a linear equation is that its geometrical representation is a straight line. So student, hope now you can easily find the solution of a linear equation in two variables, and now you can easily represent any linear equation in two variables on the graph paper also.